cut pieces.
You have 2 piles of cut pieces in there also.
Okay. These are, okay, this one's a cut piece.
We've only gotten through 4 months.
Huh? That's not even one full tree,
That's
is
not
it?
even one full tree.
Oh man. In the back I have what I think is a 4x4 in the clear back. And then I put this heavy stuff on top to just weigh it down. I think I pulled a muscle in my calf.
Go through and paint the ends so they don't crack. They're just going to start splitting from the end like these.
Yeah, that's why
if you don't go through and paint them. Paint the ends.
With what?
Paint.
Any paint?
Thick paint.
Latex.
Latex.
That looks kind of like an alligator.
Took a cotter pen out of that.
When did you do that?
Did I take the cotter pen out?
Yeah. You pulled that all the way through here and okay. Now this part's easy. All I have to do is take these boards that I just moved, put them up, screw them in. Whenever the fence is completely done, we will come back with the saw and level it all out. I've reached my stopping point. It doesn't look like it through the camera, but it is almost completely dark. Sun is setting over there. It looks beautiful, orange sky. I am done. I'm going to clean up my mess. Half of the fence is done. We're going to get started on the other half, hopefully tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to cut more boards for the fence. We are out of the boards. We'll get started on that tomorrow. And before we head out, let's go check on the seedlings real quick. It is their last night inside, and let's just see what they look like. Here we have our seedlings. Looks like only these sunflowers got leggy. These are maybe starting to reach. Tomatoes can be saved. A lot to be potted up tomorrow. It is their last night inside. They look relatively happy, I would say. Nice green, a little bit of yellowing. It did get a little cold in here, so we have some frost damage there on the nasturtium. Hi, Emma. You're so sweet. You're so pretty. On the agenda tomorrow is to finish the fence and at least start on the door or the gate for the fence. We have half of it done and half of it not done, but the retaining wall is built. We still need to fill in some more dirt, but otherwise it is coming along. Need to clean up the crap still. We're going to do something with this so soon in the next couple of days. I know what it is and I'm excited.
Oh, chickens are going to go outside tomorrow, right?
Well, maybe for a little bit. Yeah, in the daytime when it's warm, because they don't have their feathers yet. Put your dress down.
I'm doing the Wednesday Adams dance.
Okay. Also tomorrow, I need to finish this part of the fence. I'm going to do at minimum 1 board more tomorrow. Probably 2 though. I have a lot of boards for this fence cut over there underneath the tarp. And I would like it to be taller. Right there, right there. How do I, it's not the same. Right there. This is a pear tree. We won't get any pears from it this year though. Next year. What are you doing? What does that taste like? That is all that I have to share with you today. I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. It helps the algorithm and gets us out there. I love you.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Hollow Acres Homestead. We'll see you next time.
Meow.
Thanks for stopping by.